In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Adobe Premiere Pro run smoother. So if you're experiencing lag or slow playback in Adobe Premiere Pro, then there's a few things we can do to go and solve this issue. Now, first step is just to head over to Edit in the top navigation, click on Preferences, and then select Media Cache. Now go and click on the Delete button next to Remove Media Cache Files. Click on Delete Unused Media Cache Files and select OK. Come down to the Media Cache Management, and it's a good idea to automatically delete your cache files. This saves you having to come over to this window and to do it manually each time. So I'm going to select Automatically Delete Cache Files Older Than, and I'm going to change this to 30 days. Then in the left hand side, click on Memory, and you want to make sure that Adobe Premiere Pro has the maximum amount of RAM available. Now you can do this by reducing this number over to the left, and by reducing the RAM reserved for other applications, it's going to mean that we have the maximum amount of RAM for Premiere Pro. Once you've done that, click on OK to go and save your changes. Now come back into File in the top navigation, click on Project Settings and select General. Change the renderer to Mercury Playback GPU Acceleration. You can either select CUDA or OpenCL. Now go and press OK to save these changes. And the last thing we're going to do is reduce the playback quality. Now you can do this by clicking on this drop down, and I'm going to change mine to half, but if you want to reduce this even further, you can set this to a quarter. Now this isn't going to affect the final quality when you export your project. This is simply the preview window so we get smoother playback. Now once you've changed all of these settings, that should have now sped up Adobe Premiere Pro. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.